Welcome back to the Tracy Show. Today I am sharing with you some of my Ankara fabrics for Black History Month, as well as some of my February sewing plans. Okay, first up for my Ankara print fabric for Black History Month is this beautiful Ankara. It has this beautiful pink and blue, black, and I'm just loving these different shapes. You have some squares, triangles, and different prints. For this one, I think I'm gonna do this beautiful top here, button down. I love that cross tie belt there and that top stitching on the belt, as well as the sleeve cuffs. Beautiful. So I can't wait to get started on this. And I'll probably pair this with some jeans or some black pants. I really do love this though. And I got it from Fabric Wholesale Direct, and I have about 3 yards of this. And I just think it's so pretty. One thing I do have to make sure I do when I'm making the top is to match up those horizontal lines there to make sure we are in tip-top shape and looking good, nice and clean. Have that crisp collar, that nice tie belt. So can't wait to cut into this. Next, I have this beautiful Ankara print fabric here. This is shells. It's a navy background. You have some beautiful colors in there. You have some orange, yellow, hot pink, and I just really love this. I actually made a cute top last year using this fabric, so this is kind of my leftover, and I'm not sure. I think a cute jacket may work for this, another cute top, or even a dress. I have about 3 yards of this as well, and I just don't know what I want to make yet. Usually I have my plans for the month, my patterns picked out, but for this particular fabric, I am not sure what I see for myself, but I just love it, and I definitely want to do something with it soon. So if you have any ideas, give me some ideas about this one for this month. Next on my list is this beautiful yellow fabric. Really love this. This has been in my stash for a while now, so it's time to cut. I love this color, and it has a little bit of blue intertwined inside of these lines here. So I have about 6 yards of this. I got this from the same Etsy store, Dose of Fabric, and I really love it. For this, I may do a dress or a cute jacket. Oh, that'd be cute. A cute crop jacket maybe. I think that's what I'm gonna do with this. I have a cute pattern. I can do a crop jacket, and that's something you can pair with a lot of different things. And this fabric is very easy to work with. I love working with Ankara fabric, so that might be what I go with for this one. And the color makes it easy to transition into the springtime because it's yellow, it's vibrant, and this is perfect for some of my spring looks as well. So love this one as well. Next for my Ankara fabrics is this beautiful floral print. The camera does it no justice. It's really pretty in person. I have to wash it to get that sheen wax off of it, but I really do like this. I have about 3 yards, maybe about 2.5 yards of this. This one I'm gonna do a cute puff sleeve peplum top with a little elastic in the waist, a nice gather in the bust area. So I think in my mind it's going to be really cute. So we shall see how it comes out. So I'll be making this toward the end of the month because, you know, as we get into the warmer season, I think florals will really go well for the springtime. And I just really love this. These beautiful colors, this orange, this fuchsia, this blue. It's just so pretty to pair with a lot of different things. Jeans, shorts, pants. So yes. So when I make this, it's going to be like a self-drafted pattern. So I'll share my experience with you guys to show you what I'm thinking in my head and what I come up with for this fabric, but I love it. And Ankara fabric has sometimes this wax on it, so it's really shiny when you purchase it. So it's best to go ahead and like wash it in a gentle setting on your washing machine and get that sheen off of it, so you can, you know, really see what you're working with and make sure that you you know, preserve and maintain the fabric, because it's beautiful. This here is not an Ankara. This is a Ponte fabric with some nice ribbing to it. Love it. You know, February is the month of pinks and your purples and your reds, and I just love this. It's so pretty. So this is definitely going to be a cute dress. I have some ideas already, but that Ponte has that nice stretch, so you can do like a bodycon dress or something, you know, that fits your body well. Really love this color. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and I just love this. It's so pretty. So yes, I can't wait to get into that. So that's on my plans and my list for this month as well. And I'm trying to do something funky with this one, do some contrast colors with it. So we shall see how that comes out. Thank you so much for watching the Tracy Show. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.